Professor Suzanne Rab. I'm an Associate Lecturer at the Open University and I work with the Faculty of Business and Law. I'm also a practising barrister at Searle Court Chambers and I specialise in European law. You may have heard about what it's like to study law at university, perhaps from family, friends, or even social media. I'm here to debunk a few myths, maybe confirm some, and make sure that you know what you're signing up to when you start at stage 1. Law is a great subject to study at university. That's what I did as my first degree, although it is over 20 years ago. Now I would like to get one thing clear at the start. There is a lot of reading, and it can be hard to get used to the pace of reading at the beginning. But we will not set you more work than you can realistically do if you manage your time well. You do have to sweat the small stuff, such as the details of legislation and cases, but once you do that, you can apply them in a principled way. There is no single eureka moment when it all comes together, but it does do eventually, and you get to see the connections between contract law, tort law, criminal law, and many others. And criminal law is a good place to start, as it's relatively self-contained. Being a law student is what you want it to be. If you would like to get involved in pro bono legal work, the Open University offers that through participation in advice clinics. You might also try your hand at some mooting or a mock trial, where you get to play the role of the barrister in your wig and gown. There is no single OU law experience. Some people come to a law degree determined to be a human rights barrister at the end of it. Don't worry if that's not you. I can guarantee that whatever your motivation, you will be studying something that's interesting and relevant to the world around you. Decide what's important to you and what you want to make your priorities over the next few years on your OU law degree. I hope very much to welcome you at the start of the next session in October.